Some other services which are very specific to the hospitals are medical gases. The medical gases used in a hospital are life supporting elements in maintaining the life of a patient. Therefore, the medical gas must be clean, highly pure, and supplied under stable pressure. The system should have a color coordination according to the kind of gas, an audiovisual monitoring system capable of checking the situation, and a device to prevent cross connection at medical gas outlets so that it is safe and secure. Medical gas supply system is essential for hospitals. In general, medical gases are specific gases that are separated from the air individually for various medical applications. Commonly used medical gases in hospitals are oxygen, nitrous oxide, medical air at 4 bar, medical air at 6-7 bar, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, medical vacuum. Each medical gas must be supplied from a separate system. It is essential that all parts of each system are gas specific to ensure that there is no possibility of cross connection between systems. A common configuration is designed to each system as shown in the figure. We can see here how all the medical gases are supplied to all the zones where they are required. The components of medical gas piping systems are sources, piping networks, valves, warning and alarm systems, outlets and inlets, secondary equipment. So sources are supplies that produce the flow of medical gases through piping networks. Vacuum pumps are mechanized devices that create a negative pressure in the piping system. Some types are shown in the image. Medical gases and vacuum are distributed via the pipeline distribution system to provide gas or vacuum at the end point or terminal units. The terminal units may be either wall mounted or pendant mounted. The pipes should be made of high quality copper, seamless type and non-arsenic. Moreover, it should be protected against physical damage and corrosion and color coded as per gas content. Valves are used to isolate large parts of the system. They should be appropriately labeled. Warning and alarm systems have a function to give information for the responsible staff about the whole plant in case of failure detection or change requirements. There are two main alarm systems, master alarms and area alarms. Now there will be outlet and inlet points for the gas supply. Outlets are points at which connections can be made to the medical gas piping system to supply gases under pressure, while inlets are supply vacuum. Outlets should be gas specific and also color coded as per gas content as shown in the figure. Secondary equipment includes hoses, gas flow meters, gauges and vacuum regulators, etc. Some of the key design principles in designing medical gases and vacuum systems, where the goal is to provide a safe and sufficient flow at required pressures to the points of delivery. So these points are, first step is to locate and count the number of stations, the number of outlets, inlets for each specific gas type. Second is to determine the numbers of each different types of medical gas outlet, inlet terminals and their locations. Then comes determining the locations for the various medical gases supply sources. It's very important to prepare the schematic piping layout, locating zone valves, area valves, master alarms and area alarms. Then you locate the station inlets and outlets at an appropriate height to prevent physical damage to the attached equipment and accessories. Medical gases and vacuum systems serving patients shall be independent of all other vacuum and gases systems servicing laboratories, workshops and research areas.